Hello, in this video I will show you how to add your contact name on your Fitpro smartwatch. This will make the name of the contact to appear on the smartwatch screen instead of just the number as shown right now. The first two steps are to connect the watch to your phone and to activate Bluetooth call on your smartwatch. You can find two videos at the end of this video on how to perform these two steps. Open the Fitpro application on your phone and then follow the steps as shown in the video. As you can see on the screen, now I can see who is calling directly on my smartwatch. Here is how to activate Bluetooth call and also how to connect the watch to your smartphone. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.